Have you ever wondered how these seemingly unrelated objects can connect and communicate with each other? It's all thanks to a technology called the Internet of Things, or IoT. The IoT is a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data over the Internet. Think of it like a giant network where everything from your appliances to your city infrastructure is connected. International Telecommunication Union, ITU, has defined IoT as a global infrastructure for the information society, enabling advanced services by interconnecting physical and virtual things based on existing and evolving interoperable information and communication technologies. IoT gets benefited by a number of other technologies such as machine-to-machine, AM-to-M communication, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, big data, cloud edge computing, cellular and non-cellular communication technologies. Research and development in these technologies will further help in creating smart infrastructure in various verticals and in turn improving the quality of life of citizens. 1. Data collection. Sensors in IoT devices collect information about their surroundings like temperature, humidity or location. 2. Data transmission. This data is then transmitted over the Internet to a central server or cloud. 3. Data analysis. The collected data is analyzed and processed to extract meaningful insights. 4. Action. Based on the analysis, actions can be taken automatically or by a human. IoT is used in countless ways, from smart homes to smart cities. Let's explore some examples. Smart homes. Control lights, thermostats and appliances with your voice or smartphone. Healthcare, remote patient monitoring, wearable health devices and telemedicine. Agriculture, smart farming practices such as precision agriculture and remote crop monitoring. Transportation, connected cars, smart traffic systems and autonomous vehicles. Industry, predictive maintenance, automation and supply chain management. The IoT is still evolving and its potential is vast. In the future, we can expect even more interconnected devices and innovative applications. Automotive and intelligent transport system, vehicle tracking, emergency call system, cellular V2X applications, traffic monitoring and control, navigation, infotainment, fleet management, asset tracking and logistics, smart parking, connected cars, advanced driver assistance systems, education, tele-education, attendance tracking, smart classrooms, smart libraries, renewable energy sources like solar, biomass connecting to smart microgrid, smart distribution network, smart metering, smart grid, smart street lighting, healthcare, remote diagnostics, remote monitoring of patients, medication reminders, telemedicine, wearable health devices, EICU-based applications, remote surgery, smart ambulances, safety and surveillance, commercial and home security monitoring, surveillance applications, video analytics and sending alerts, fire alarm, police and medical alerts, smart city intelligent transport system, waste management, street light control system, water distribution and management, smart parking, intelligent buildings, safety and security, environmental monitoring, smart home, security and surveillance, connected appliances, smart lighting system, home automation, smart manufacturing or Industry 4.0 predictive maintenance of machines, shop floor remote, monitoring and control, industry automation, digital twins, smart inventory management, worker safety, utilities, smart metering for electricity, water and gas, electric line monitoring, gas, oil and water pipeline monitoring, sewage monitoring. The Internet of Things is transforming the way we live, work and interact with the world. As technology continues to advance, the IoT will play an increasingly important role in our lives.